Welcome back to Down Under Homestead channel. My name is Olga and today we are making a salad that is perfect blend of seasons. Using something from last season, something fresh from this one, and mixing it all in a bowl of goodness. Plus, I'm sharing my foolproof formula for a homemade salad dressing, so you will never need to buy one again. Let's get started. First, we're gonna head to the garden to pick some fresh rocket. Then I will bring in a little bit of last season harvest by using our stored pumpkin. To round it up, we will add some pine nuts and crumbled feta. Now, into the dressing. My no-fail formula is 3-2-1. We're using 3 parts olive oil, 2 parts vinegar, and 1 part something sweet. And for sweetness, I'm going with beechworth honey. Add a pinch of salt and pepper, put everything in a jar and give it a good shake. There you have it! A beautiful salad that is perfect on its own or as a side to a juicy steak. For more hearty recipes using homegrown or locally sourced produce that are simple to make, be sure to subscribe to this channel. See you next time. Bye!